Results of an exclusive Fox News Latino poll shows Clinton beating Trump handily in a head-to-head matchup. Her support nearly triples his among Hispanic voters. Bryan Llenas is joining us live from our New York City newsroom with more on this. So, Bryan, in the latest Fox News poll, Trump leads Clinton, but among Latinos, it's a very different story, isn't it?
It is a very different story, Martha. A brand new FoxNewsLatino.com poll of registered Latino voters nationwide shows if the election were held today, Hillary Clinton would overwhelmingly win the Hispanic vote. 62% say they'd vote for Clinton, while 23% say they'd vote for Donald Trump. Now, this lead is fueled by major support from Hispanic females and Mexican Americans particularly, about 7 out of 10 of whom support Clinton. Now, Trump's 23% Hispanic support is lower than Mitt Romney in 2012, when the then Republican nominee won just 27% of the Hispanic vote. Now, the prevailing thought is Republicans need to get closer to 35 to 40%, which is what George W. Bush got, if they want to win the White House. Now, interestingly, Hispanic voters overwhelmingly say that a Hispanic vice presidential nominee would make no difference in deciding whether or not they would vote for Trump or Clinton. 86% said it wouldn't change their opinion on Trump and if he chose a Hispanic VP, while 80% say the same about Clinton. Martha?
That is very interesting. So what's the most important issue to the Latino voters? Is it immigration?
Immigration is not the most important issue to Latino voters, according to the Fox News Latino poll. It is, in fact, the economy and jobs, followed by education, national security, and then immigration. But it's important to note here, Martha, the number of Hispanic voters who said immigration was their most important issue doubled since 2012. And it is now more important to Hispanics than health care and social issues. And finally, the Fox News Latino poll also reveals that a whopping 90% of Latinos believe undocumented immigrants should be legalized, while just 6% say they should be deported. And for more in-depth analysis on this poll, a fascinating one, go to FoxNewsLatino.com. Martha?
Some very good, interesting data in there. Bryan Llenas, thank you so much.
No problem.